jersey number 10, John Minyo Abo. Jersey number 7, Denmark Cruz. Jersey number 14, Denmark Cruz. Jersey number 24, John Brandon Hurdias. Jersey number 5, Patrick Cabajo. Jersey number 20, Roy Hutaya. Jersey number 13, Jay Presbitero. Jersey number 22, Andrew Thompson. And now, here are our starting five.
Patrick, iya, lagi terus. Lari ay, asik.
Jersey number 23, Joshua Dixon. Jersey number 4, Kyle Valenzuela. Jersey number 6, Juan Audrey Pilate. Jersey number 2, Nikon Logan Golban. Jersey number 14, Puyos. Jersey number 27, Scott Antajas. And jersey number 5, Patrick Cabajo. And a team coach, Jason and Thomas Jr. Now let's meet our players from Team Kumbang Ono. Starting with jersey number 5, Shimar Bakurizas. Jersey number 14, Bernard Bakurizas. Jersey number 20, Tigel Humaldo. Jersey number 12, James Stewart Humaldo. Jersey number 24, Clyde Esparza. Jersey number 10, Dexter Pipito. Jersey number 1, Logan Humaldo. Jersey number 25, Dante Canela Jr. Jersey number 3, Paul Clint Milapes. Jersey number 13, Steve Rivera. Jersey number 10, Pipito. And team coach, Mr. Janjan Ayuda. Shake hands, officials, shake hands,
Kumpang Uno and Team Oakley Junior Division Championship Game 1. Baseball Kumpang. Good. Offensive rebound Kanyeda, ipit. Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot clock 7 to shoot. Shot clock 5. And there's a whistle, there's a foul. Jersey number 25, Kanyeda is first. Personal foul, team foul number 1, Kumpang Uno. Out of bounds, same ball. Shot clock 16 seconds. 16 to shoot. It's on. 14 shot clock. Dorban. Shot clock din. There's a foul. Maikasamang kamay. Foul committed by number 3. Pilapel. First foul number 3. Team foul number 2. Kumpang Uno. One out of 2. First basket of Team Oakley coming from jersey number 6, Pilapel. Kanyeda, pull up two, no good. Rebound, Dorban, stayed by Kanyeda, and it's out of bounds. Goes to Kumpang Uno. 22 seconds to shoot. Pass, look at three. Ixon, pass to the corner, Pilapil number 6, attack, floater, no good. Against the ball, Rivera get the ball, Rivera layup, good for 2, Rivera number 13. Pilapil to Dorban, no good. Rebound, Team Kumpang Uno. Pass to Rivera, intercepted. Dorban to number 4 to number 23. Foul. Foul committed by number 10. Pipito, first personal foul number 10. Team foul number 3. Kumpang Uno. We have a jump ball and positional save ball. Mula sa Oakley. 11 shot clock, 11 to shoot. Wayne shot clock. 5 to shoot. Rebound Kanyeda. Outlet pass to Hugabat number 1. Pull up, good for 2. Dorban, advance, substitution, 17 on the shot clock, 17 to shoot. 4 minutes and 10. Pilapel, Pola, Hudaya, and my whistle, there's a foul committed by number 13. Substitution. Number 13, Rivera is first foul. Team foul number 4, warning for penalty. Misses both free throws, and we have a jumble balls position, Kumpang Uno. Pipito, steal by number Hudaya, no good. Hudaya, no good. Down by number 3.
Kita to si Kuhan.
Ball baseline.
Baka ka
Foul
na
committed by number 20. Hudaya, first personal foul. Team foul number 1.
Ego ka na yan ako. Tawagin na kato. Kaon ka na sikto eh.
Rivera. Attack the defense. Pass to number 3. Berban. Pass to number 4. Branzuela. Branzuela. No good. Branzuela again. Put back. Shot clock 14. Out of bounds. 13 shot clock, 13 seconds. There's a whistle. Foul committed by number 5, Cabajo. This first personal foul. Team foul number 2, Oakley. First free throw no good. One out of 2. Rivera, number 13.
I love you, Miko.
Amsi to Dorban. 1 minute and 20. 14 shot clock. Hudaya. Shot clock 10 and it's out of bounds. Substitution. Timeout. Kumpang Uno. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Sa mga na-stop lane sa linya, ato lang hipuso na itong tail ha. Palihog ko. Gian Hugalbot. Palihog ko atras daw. Dada sila tanan. Kanyeda, go for 2. Kanyeda, 1 minute exactly.
Plus 3. Wala sa sabay. Mga na plus 3.
Dorban to Tamsi, pass to Presbyter. There's a whistle out of bounds. Quarenta, 40 seconds. Tipito, Topil, Lapil. 25 seconds. Shot clock 14. Hey, shot clock. 5 to shoot. No good. 5. 1 segundo. 1. Foul number 4, Branzuela, first personal foul, 1 segundo.